Hello everyone, my name is Simon and today I'm going to show you how to make this simple navbar right here. So when you hover over Home, About Us, Forum, or Contact Us, there will be links and it's just an image, it's a simple image. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do this. So what you'll need is Photoshop and Dreamweaver. So in Photoshop you're going to want to create something like this. I'm going to create my own right now, so let's go ahead and make new document 700 by 200, or actually 700 by 100. Let's go ahead and do that. Make sure the background contents is transparent, and then you should be good to go. Okay, now when we got this, let's go ahead and get the rounded rectangle tool, and if you click on, or if we just go ahead and make a nice little bar like that. As you can see, looks pretty good so far, but we're going to edit it a little. If you double click on shape 1, this layer style will pop up, and let's go over to, if we uncheck color overlay and we go over to gradient overlay, and let's go ahead and make it a dark color, so something like this, and it's a little light. Sure, why not? Something like this. And let's go ahead and go over to stroke, pixels 1, color. Let's make it grayish. Okay, good. Now let's give it a drop shadow, just so that it has this kind of shadow around it. And yeah, all right. Now if we go over to layer 1 and let's go ahead and click text. I'm going to use the font Euphemia, and let's just go ahead and make our pages. So I'm going to go ahead and do Home, click on Tab a few times, click About Us, Tab again, Forum, and Contact Us. I don't know, something like that. And we take our tool and just center it a little. Something like that. That looks good. Now if we double click our text and let's go ahead and give it a little stroke, maybe a little gray, or let's give it a white color. Let's make the pixels 1, opacity a little less, maybe. Yeah, 21. So 21 looks good. Ooh, sorry, didn't want to do that. Let's give it a drop down shadow as well, maybe a little less. Opaque, maybe 50-ish. Yeah, why not? Okay, looks good so far. And in fact, I'm going to double click shape 1 again and give it a little inner shadow, just to give it that little pop out. Okay, good. Now I'm going to create the little separators here, which I actually learned, and it was I thought it was quite cool. Let's go ahead and get the pencil tool, do a little line, and now if we create a copy and make the color overlay black, and then with our arrow keys move it over 1 pixel. Okay, that looks good. Now let's click on layer 1, make the opacity about 13, and let's make layer 1 copy opacity about 60. Yeah, that looks good. Now if we right click on layer 1 copy and merge down, now it will be 1 layer, and let's go ahead and copy this. In fact, I'm going to double click layer 1, have it make it a little drop down shadow, a little less opaque. 40 looks good. Alright, layer 1, let's go ahead and create a copy, drag it over here, and the same over here. I'm going to actually select all of these and move it up a little. Okay, looks good. So this is going to be our navbar, and that's pretty much it so far. So real quick, I'm going to create a folder in on my desktop, create new folder. Let's go ahead and name it website. Let's go ahead and open this. Let's also create a new folder called images, lowercase I, images. So this will be all you need right now. So if we go over to Photoshop, save as PNG. It needs to be a PNG in order for the transparency behind it to be transparent. So now if we find our website folder, images, let's call it navbar.png. You might also want to save it as a PSD just so that you can edit it in the future if you want. Now let's go over to Dreamweaver. I have Dreamweaver CS4, I believe. Yeah, so click Insert Table, rows 1, columns 1. Make sure that this is percent table width 100. So it's 100%. Border thickness will be 0. That should be good. And if you click OK, then it will fill up 100% of the screen. Wide, that is. And now if we just make this a little yeah. Okay, now if we insert image and we go over to our folder, website, images, we click on navbar, and let's click on don't show me this again, and just click let's click OK. Now if you move this into the table, you'll have your image. Now if you want to center it, you can just click on horizontal here, center, you'll be in the center. Okay, looks good so far. Now the next step you'll want to do is, if you click on your image, right here under map, under the pointer hotspot tool, if you go ahead and click rectangle hotspot tool, and you just go over what you want the link to be. So if you click OK there, and then here where it says link, you put in whatever you want, so index.html, or in this case I'll just keep it as a hash sign. And now if you do this again for all of your other ones, I'll just keep doing this for tutorial's sake. There. Now it's done actually. So if we go ahead and save this, save as, find our website, save it as index.html, and I'm gonna go ahead and go to our website. I'm gonna open with Google Chrome, and there you go. That is your nav bar. Mine looks a little different. I don't know, made it a little different. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's really simple in my opinion. You know, you can click on these, and that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button. If you want any more tutorials, leave a comment. And also leave a comment if you think I spoke too fast. Yeah. So, hope you guys enjoyed, and have a nice day.